Since Katrina, it's completely different. So today we actually have mobile claims command centers that actually go in. We have technology that knows through aerial flyovers whether our customers have had property losses or not. A lot of times, especially an event like that, before they do, we're able to actually speed up the payments of claims because we're using drones to actually fly over people's homes now and actually get appraisals. So technology has really sped up the process considerably.
What I'm interested in is I pay insurance. It's just like I write the check, whatever. I never feel like that I'm being necessarily treated well. I just know I have to write the check. What does Salesforce do in order to be able to make it so you guys are more in touch with something like Florence? Did you call people ahead of time, tell them because you knew that there were going to be problems?
No, we didn't do that, but we did. We actually get involved. In fact, people get mostly in an event like Florence dislocated from their homes, and so we're able to actually, where we have things like Salesforce, the customer relationship management allows us to have cell phone numbers to get a hold of people and actually give them status on their homes. There's also in homeowners insurance, there's an expense that when you're away from your home that's paid, so we can make sure for people who need money to be able to move away from their homes that they have money right away. So we can get involved that much faster. We use social media to try to get some tips out to people that are in the way of storms ahead of time, but we're not contacting every one of our customers.
Was that artificial intelligence that you know where to go? Because I know a lot of machine learning is coming into play for every industry. I think people don't understand that even it's happening for insurance.
Oh, absolutely, it's happening for insurance. It is, and I would say it's probably more machine learning for at our stage of development now than AI, but it is absolutely helping us predict who's going to be in the path of the storm and what we need to do to help them.
One of the things that I think that people don't understand, because you're private, there's no stock here, but technology enables you to be able to have more money to put in other places than just people. How has Farmers dealt with the idea that technology can make it so you're more profitable?
So for us, it actually helps. It's about, I would say, two things. One is about making us a lot more efficient. And as you know, we have 5,000 less people today than we did 5 years ago.
And you're a growing company.
And we are a growing company. At the same time, we've been growing. So and I'd also tell you, we're also more effective with less people because of the use of technology. It's really allowed us to be more effective. But the other thing that actually helps us, our core business model is around exclusive agents, the Farmers agents. And the real value that they bring is the relationship they can create with that customer. Technology really allows them to create that relationship better than they'd be able to do it without it.
All right, well, how about the idea maybe I don't need to come to my house, virtual reality?
Right. So our biggest use of virtual reality today is in training our claims adjusters in how to handle claims. So we have an innovation lab where we actually have the University of Farmers that we use on our commercials is actually a real place. And
it is.
It is a real place.
I thought it was an ad.
No, it's an ad and a real place. It's not the building you see. I think that's UCLA, but it is a real place. And we have virtual reality. So in terms of water damage to homes, which is one of the biggest perils you face, we actually teach our people now in virtual reality. We can train them much faster, and they're much better at responding to people's needs.